If you want to change the icon size on Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have a couple of things, a couple of options that we can use. So let's go to settings, then over here scroll down and search for the home screen option. And of course in here we have the app size slider, so we can move left and right in order to adjust app icon size. But besides that, the home screen grid and the app screen grid also has a small impact on the size of app icons. If you choose 5x6 instead of 4x6, then of course app icons can be a little bit smaller to make space for one more app in a single row. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the display settings, and then in the display settings we can find the screen zoom, which has an impact on pretty much every element that we have on our screen, including app icon sizes. So we can move left and right to, of course, adjust that. Leave a like and subscribe.